and we'll do it over here. Yeah, go over there.
Oh my God.
Go over there.
Look, let's see. She turned the other side.
Okay. Yeah, Katrina. Drink it, baby.
Drink it.
Oh my gosh! That's the coolest thing I've ever seen.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
You had to put on YouTube.
Cockle, you cockle.
Oh my gosh, that's too cool.
Again, because yeah. Because you're not many. Yes, like,
It's not sweet. If it's sweet, she will drink it.
huh?
If it's shut up. She will drink. If it's sweet, she will
Like
drink
hot
it.
or something.
Just plays with it now.
That's so crazy.
Oh my God. No, she tried to do it, but no water. And she tried.
Not water, no. She does not want to do it because if it's sweet, she will do it right away.
Yeah.
Yeah, Katrina. Papa, have some? Can I have some? Can I have some? Can I have Papa have some? Can I have some? Papa have some? Okay. Shut up.
It's unbelievable.
He doesn't want to play with it. He doesn't want to drink.
She won't drink it and she doesn't.
You just gotta get in the right spot.
Yeah. She gets frustrated, you know.
No, she knows. She just she just plays with it.
Oh my God.
Tina, take this one out. Give it to me. Give it to me. Come on, drink it. He doesn't want to
Can't
drink
be ready 1 o'clock tomorrow.
Okay.
it. He doesn't want to drink it.
Yeah.
If it was a Coke,
Yeah,
We'll
we'll
get
order a
that,
Coke tomorrow.
yeah. it would be-
Whoa.
See this?
Yeah.
This cabinet. The Mercedes.
Oh, okay.